Well, we have Fraser's MX5 in the unit. And
today for some...
his first car. And he has a big squeaky problem, which we're trying to look at. But first up, we found out this lower ball joint is completely
Yeah.
so we're going to be changing that. So I've sprayed with some penetrant spray these lower bolts. One here, there's one also inside the lower control arm as well, because everything's a little bit crispy. I'm taking a wire brush to everything. Hopefully it will come off quite nicely. I'm just going to take this split pin out at the top, knock that through, and then I'm going to take this castellated nut off. So just put a breaker bar on this. I've taken the lower bolt out of the shock, just smashed that out of the way a little bit. And then I've just used a breaker bar on this to get it loose, and then you can just, this fella here, if I'm touching, and then there is a nut on the other side, so you can get impact gun on one side and a socket or something on the other. Good. So if you are going to be doing this, I recommend you pick yourself up one of these. It's like a scissor ball joint removal tool. I did try and use like a fork thing from Halfords. So you can buy these on Amazon, come with a full set. Try buying this little thing which you just whack on it. Wouldn't waste your time. Doesn't really do much. Not for me anyway. So this is the old one. I can pull it out and in by hand. It's just completely shot. I'll probably cut that boot off as well. I'll have a look at it in a bit. This one is obviously solid, which is good, and it doesn't have. It's really hard to move as well. Oh, there you go. Compared, it's not as loose. I'm just going to pop that one up in there and just put this nut on it at the top, just hold it in. So I'm going to get that back bolt in first. Right, so we'll compare that to earlier then. Well, we changed it. Oh, that's completely fucking solid.
There's no
play.
no wiggling.
No wiggling. It's all in.
No more squeaking. Knew I'd fix it. So guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. I was not around for most of it, but I'm here now and that's all that matters. Don't forget, we are still running our giveaway, so comment on the video of Rob's new bumper if you want to be in a chance to win that. It's a Sam's detailing sample kit, which we use to clean our cars with. So if you want to win that, subscribe, comment on that video. When we hit 200, we'll be doing the giveaway. Thank you very much for watching. Love you lots. Peace out.